How does this water get here? Is it safe, clean drinking water? Let's go find out.
This is a diagram of a typical water treatment plant. The water starts at the source and then moves through various stages and rooms through coagulation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection. Then is placed in storage until it's finally sent to different locations.
This is the raw water vault. This is where we do our flow metering. Okay. Water comes in this big pipeline. Actually, get a better view from over here. That's the meter right there.
The water then moves into the coagulation building.
This building basically is split up into two sections. Okay? So this way under the building. Okay?
These two meters monitor the pH and current of the water.
Can you read that okay?
Yeah.
Is that pretty good?
Perfect.
These are the storage tanks that hold the chemicals used in the coagulation process.
So that's how it feeds. The water carries it. But that's like an aspirator. Okay? See the paddle. The paddle is keeping it moving. Come on, paddle. Where is the stuff it in here, right? Okay. And so what we do is mix that here into a solution, and then pump it by solution to the finished
In
water.
coagulation, chemicals such as aluminum sulfate and polyaluminum chloride produce positive charges to neutralize negative charges on the particles. The particles can then clump together, forming floc which attract to the negative dirt particles. This helps quicken the sedimentation process. After the mixing of the chemicals and neutral clay particles done with rotating paddles, the water passes through 3 chambers where sedimentation occurs, which is when the floc settles to the bottom. Sediments are taken to lagoons or the wastewater treatment plant. After sedimentation, the clear water moves to the filtration room, where water passes through filters that remove even smaller particles. So this
Okay.
takes out the sediment.
there we go.
Well, it's just starting. It's just starting.
Moving the sediment.
What it'll do is it'll draw it down, okay, to just below the trough, okay? And then this silver arm here, you get a good picture of that. That silver arm is what we call the surface wash, okay? And it'll spin around here in a minute.
Oh.
There it goes.
Now that surface wash will start. What that does is it breaks up the surface so that if there's any mud balls or anything in there, it'll break that up. It gets it going as the wash water starts, because these are a high rate. They're actually mixed media surface wash, mixed media filters. Okay. So what happens is they'll take 4 gallons per square foot, but when you back punch it, you gotta run 12. To get the particles to come back out. You can see where it starts out, it's not too bad looking. In a few minutes it'll look like chocolate.
After disinfectants are pushed by pumps and pipes into the filtered water, a chemical monitor tells how clean and safe it is before it's finally sent out to various locations. They can't have more than .03 leaving the water treatment plant.